Right, I'm back again for part 3. Right, part 3. The castle. Why the hell is there a castle inside of a supply closet? Welcome, heroes. Who's there? Do not be alarmed. I am not your enemy. Please come forward, both of you. Can we go back? Ooh, hooded person. Welcome, I'm the prince of this kingdom. The kingdom of darkness. Chris, Susie, there is a legend in this land. A legend that one day 2 heroes of light will arrive and fulfill the ancient prophecy foretold by time and space. What? Please, heroes, listen to my tale. What do we do? Fine. Listen very well, then. I bet if we had to press no. Once upon a time, a legend was whispered among shadows. It was a legend of hope, it was a legend of dreams. It was a legend of light, it was a legend of dark. This is the legend of Deltarune. Oh, we're in the Deltarune. Sure, that makes sense. For millennia, that man on the right, that man on the right is the one who tried to kill us and been bringing peace to the world. But if this harmony were to shatter as it goddamn has, calamity would occur. It just has the sky will grow black with terror. Oh no! Then how? Another fountain has appeared on the horizon. What? And with it, the balance of light and dark begins to shift. Oh god, yep. That's it. Let's see all the fountains, shall we? I really want Susie to just go, thank god that's over. Chris, Susie, thank you for listening to my very boring and long tale. I deeply believe you're the true legends of the heroes. Damn it, I got that the wrong way. Just put whatever enemies you may face. You two have the courage to save the world. Delta warriors, please, won't you accept your destiny? Nah. What? Me? Some kind of hero or something? You got the wrong person. But Susie, without you, the world will. So what if the world gets destroyed? It's none of my damn business. Might even be kind of fun, honestly. Anyways, Chris, if you want to play pretend with this weirdo, stick around. I'm going to find a way out of here. Susie, wait! It's the guy! Oh no! I got Santa! The heroes were already running away. And they didn't even know I was here. My dad's gonna be so... Oh god, who the hell are you? I'm the bad guy. Yeah, you're the one who tried to kill me. You clowns want to steal our dark fountain, huh? And said the world will tell darkness, huh? Don't try to deny it. You won't know your peace. It's your only way. I love Sam. The one who literally tried to kill you a minute ago now is kind of being absolutely nice. Won't let you go. Step 1, refresh. Step 2, you lose. Nice blanket. Really? Yeah, true. What if I use it on you instead? What do they do? My fucking axe. He seems kind of colourful. Isn't honor. Are you two okay? Allow me to introduce myself more properly. I am... Jeez, can you take off the hood? I can barely hear you under there. Alright. Hello everyone, I'm Rousey. Chris, seriously, it's ever so wonderful to meet you. I'm certain we're going to become great friends, and best way to leave is east, right? Yes, that's where Will got it. See you at school, Chris. That's not east. I suppose just the two of us then. Yay. Chris, I'm a prince, but I don't have any subjects. I've been waiting alone here my whole life for you to arrive, so I'm really happy to meet you. Hope we can be good friends, Chris. Let's try to find Susie. She must be heading southeast. Really? You can lead the way, Chris. But I'm slow. Sorry, I have to walk. This game doesn't... I'm saying it. I have to walk. Tell me how to run, Rousey, please. Chris, you know you can hold B to run. Really? Right, perhaps. Oh my god! It's Deltarune, but even better now. We're an enemy! Yeah, teach me how to fight. Okay? Teach me how to kill. See that heart, Chris? That's your soul. Combination of your being. Shut up, Flowey. Rid of will, passion, and the fate of the world. If it gets hit, you and your friends will lose it. Wait, if I press B, run, it slows down my attack. Good job, Chris, you're a natural. Anyway, I'll teach you how to fight. Fighting is unnecessary, there's no harm. We have to fight, but they're telling us not to fight. Wow, Chris, that was an amazing attack. Try defending. Oh my god, the great door is open. No wonder Lancer was able to come through. Chris, once we pass through this door, our adventure will really begin. Journey. Okay, Chris. Happy ending, otherwise I fear that you may not find the result. Oh, I'm sorry, is this too much to ask? I could handle it. Chris, I knew you were here in a moment or so. Let's try our best, alright? Okay, the game's gonna begin. And that happened at exactly the 10-minute mark. Okay, the adventure begins. Right, we can run now. Weird trees, these are. The field of hopes and dreams. I hope none of this music's heavily copyrighted. You. Convince. Spare. Quit fighting. Utterly swayed. Spare. Dula. I hope none of this is copyrighted. You! Lancer! Hermit, like candy. Whatever you do, do not touch the tree. It's right open your menu. Got it? Sign lines. Thanks. Wait, what items? Man. Bye. Hey, if you head that way, my troops will crash you. Is that a threat? Threat is an invitation. No! No! Oh. Great, done. What have you been doing? I've just been normal person. Okay then. Get spared. Spared. Oh, I checked. Please stop trying to kill me. It's just boring. It's just weak. Good. God, give me one. What's this? The ring cases. Of course, I'll take one. Come over here. What the shit? Oh, I can't be bothered. This feels a lot like fleeing from a net. Oh my! It's